So the first time you log into Think Central, there's going to be a few extra questions that you have to answer. And we're going to go through those right now so that once you've got them set, you won't have to do it again. It should be really easy for you to log in the rest of the year using just your username and password. So when you get to this site, you'll see 4 drop downs. Those are the ones we're going to work on right now. For country, we're going to leave that. United States is fine. State, we're going to come down and select Dodea. Our district is Europe South. So we find Europe South, pick that one. And our school, that's an easy one, Rhoda Elementary School. Now the important part about this is once you've got those 4 in, you need to click this little button, Remember My School. That's going to make sure that everything is saved so you don't have to do this every time you come to the site. Your username for everybody's going to be different. It's going to be your student's Gmail address, which they should know. Hopefully they've got it in the front of their agenda. I'll just do a little sample for you. If my name is Carissa Gerke, I would have C for Carissa, G-E-R for Gerke, and then the last 4 digits of my student ID number. Those are going to be different depending on what your student's number is. At student.dodea.edu. So it's a little bit long, but kids type it every day, so they learn it pretty quickly. If you need any help accessing that login for your student, just let me know. We can get you set up. Password for everyone is going to be math, M-A-T-H, 1, the number 1. So once you've got all that in, you go ahead and click on the login and check out the second video to see a little tour around what you can do inside Think Central.